lapse of the security of the government of Pakistan, if the lapse of the measures taken by the government of Pakistan, that you allow your president to talk freely, irrespective of the manner bilateral talks have been going about India and Pakistan, this is one of the educational issues.
It is a statement that America and Taliban will be reported to Pakistan. What is Pakistan? Is Pakistan a barren island which will be reported away? Not talk about anything.
The wait is finally over. Today is the most awaited event of CGC, that is CGC International MUN 2016, where intellectuals meet. Yes, today is MUN Day. MUN, or popularly known as Model United Nations or Model UN, it's an educational simulation in which students learn about diplomacy, international affairs, and many more other things. Over 500 students have participated in this CGC International MUN 2016. But the question is, why MUN? What is so special about it? Friends, MUN conferences are very unique experiences. In MUN, you get a chance to acquaint with other people, other students, or other participants from different colleges across different countries. Welcome to CGC International MUN.
Hello, yes.
So, which delegate are you representing today?
I am the delegate from Australia
Okay.
in the Security Council.
Security Council.
Yes.
So, what are your expectations today? Any plans, any strategies for today's
Well,
MUN?
I'm expecting to have a good, representation from my country. I'm expecting, how can I say, like collaboration from other Security Council members, and I'm looking forward to like a good resolution passing.
So, what's your opinion about these kind of MUNs? Do you believe that they improve personality development? They help in improving
Yeah,
personality?
absolutely. Obviously, first and foremost, they get the participant to get to learn about global issues, which they might not have the opportunity to do unless they had such a platform. So it's quite a good platform, and whoever participates here, like I've seen so many people doing MUN for first time, for second time, but I've never seen them going out of the MUN the way they came in. There's always scope for learning.
Is it your first time here?
It's my first time at CGC. Actually, it's my first MUN as a delegate. I've been in many MUNs as an EB member. This is my first try as a delegate. I just want to see how it works out.
So, all the best.
All right, thank you very much.
What are your expectations today?
At the first most is the being from the Indo-Pak relationship. I mostly focus on just being as peace MUN should be taking place in between Indo and Pakistan. Representing the Ajit Doval being an NSA, from an NSA, so I should say it should be a peace talk, and we'll be able to give a solution with different aspects and different values from the India side.
Pankaj, our viewers want to know which delegate are you representing? I think.
I'm right now representing Ajit Doval, that is a National Security Agency Chief Advisor, and
Okay.
being an agent of RAW.
And which committee are you representing today?
That is an India-Pakistan relationship.
Which committee are you participating?
UNHRC,
UNHRC, that is
United Nations Human Rights Council.
Human Rights Council. So, which delegate are you representing?
I'm the delegate of Bulgaria.
Bulgaria. So, what are your expectations, your strategies today?
Well, I would like to propose my thoughts on because my topic is LGBT rights, so I would like to propose whatever my beliefs are regarding this topic, and everyone would like to accept that. I hope so.
So, is it your first time in CDC or MUN?
Yeah, actually it's my first time in the same college also and the MUN also.
So, which delegate are you representing today?
I'm representing Khwaja Mohammad Asif.
Okay, so can you brief a little
He is
about
Minister of Defense for Pakistan, and he is responsible for every defense activity that happens in Pakistan.
So, do you believe that these MUNs, this Indo-Pak committee will improve the relations between India and Pakistan?
Definitely. They'll improve a lot of relations, and the relations need to be improved for the betterment of South Asia and for the world.
So, what are you representing today?
I am representing Narendra Modi at AIPPM.
AIPPM.
Yes.
So, our viewers want to know about AIPPM. So,
See, AIPPM is basically a conflict resolution committee. When there's an issue on which a conflict cannot be resolved, you call all the parties, you make them reach a resolution, and in the end you pass a resolution where you resolve an issue which is very contentious.
So what is today's agenda of AIPPM?
Review of NDA government, that is my government that has been working since 16th May 2014.
Okay, so what are your expectations today?
See, my expectations is I'll be grilled up to the highest maximum possible level. There will be lots of bashing on me, but it's okay. It's my duty to answer people and I'm accountable to them.
So what's your strategy today?
No strategies. Whatever I have done, I'll tell the people. I'll tell all the truth. If there is my mistake, I'll accept it.
Sir, first of all, good afternoon and welcome to CDC International MUN. Sir, it's a very big platform for our students. So how are you feeling at being at CDC Landra and being at CDC International MUN?
CDC Landra in itself is a brand, and it's going to go a long way in educating and exposing the students to what is happening around the globe. So I would congratulate CGC for picking up such wonderful topics and for taking this innovative decision.
Sir, in your opinion, the events like CDC International MUN or other extracurricular activities, how they groom up the overall personality of youth?
Well, I think they go strictly and according to the mission of this CGC, which is to create future leaders,
Yes, sir.
to empower them. And knowledge is the only thing which empowers. So knowledge is power today. And this is absolutely important for the students to learn, to understand not only national issues but international issues, so that they can be groomed to take the reins of India and the world in future.
You won the Best Delegate Award. So how was your overall experience at CDC International MUN?
It was nice. It was nice. It was like the level of debate in the committee was very good, because expecting that I am a final year engineering student and I had many college level, many school, kids going to school and as delegates, the level of debate was very nice and I particularly enjoyed.
So how was your overall experience?
Yeah, it was a pretty fun experience for me. Kaveri was really good while EBing. The Security Council gave me a lot of better experience this time, as it's my third MUN. This MUN was best, I can say. All I want to say is CGC International MUN, keep going and hope will be coming here next year as well.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Ma'am, heartiest congratulations on the success of International MUN.
Thank you so
So
much.
how are you feeling today?
I'll be very honest that I'm feeling very emotional, because that was a dream, we had maybe 3-4 months back, and now we have seen it changing into reality. So this was something, an experiment, because we were learning also and we were organizing the event also, and it went very well for a maiden MUN. We got tremendous response, and that's a big motivation, so we are all very happy.
अक्कर बक्कर बम्बे पो 80-90 पूरे 100 रात के बज गए 1:45 जो होता है होने दो अक्कर बक्कर बम्बे पो 80-90 पूरे 100 रात के बज गए 1:45 जो होता है होने दो
अक्कड़ बक्कड़ बम्बे पो 80-90 पूरे 100 रात के बज गए 1:45 जो होता है होने दो अक्कड़ बक्कड़